If you're trading on MetaTrader 5 and want to withdraw your profits safely, this video will walk you through the exact process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the correct trading account. Before withdrawing, make sure you're logged into the trading account that holds the funds you want to withdraw. MetaTrader 5 will always withdraw money from the currently active account, so if you have multiple accounts, switch to the correct one first. Step 2. Go to the withdrawal section. Inside MetaTrader 5, navigate to the Payments or Withdraw Funds section. This is where all deposit and withdrawal actions are handled. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Type in the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount does not exceed your available balance. Important note: bonus or credit funds cannot be withdrawn. Only real withdrawable balance is allowed. Step 4. Choose a payment method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. This may include a bank card e-wallet, bank transfer, other broker-supported options. The available methods depend entirely on your broker, not MetaTrader 5 itself. Step 5. Select a payment service provider. Some payment methods offer multiple providers. Choose the correct one in the payment service provider field based on what your broker supports. Step 6. Add a card if required. For card withdrawals, some systems require you to add your card first. You'll need to enter your card details once, then it will be saved for future withdrawals. If the card is already added, you can skip this step. Step 7. Complete the withdrawal. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be redirected to an external payment page. Do not close it until you receive confirmation that the transaction is complete. Step 8. Wait for broker verification. Some brokers perform additional checks before releasing funds. In this case, the amount is deducted immediately from your trading account. You'll see it listed in transaction history. If the withdrawal is rejected, the funds are automatically returned after some time. Step 9. Track your withdrawal status. You can monitor your withdrawal anytime in the transaction history section. This shows whether the request is pending, completed, or rejected. Final tip: if you have any issues, delays, or missing payment methods, always contact your broker directly, as MetaTrader 5 only provides the platform. It does not control withdrawals. And that's how you withdraw funds from a MetaTrader 5 account. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more quick trading guides, and I'll see you in the next one.